Artificial intelligence is transforming training by creating personalized learning experiences. This innovative approach adapts to individual needs, much like a GPS guiding drivers through unfamiliar routes, ensuring no one gets lost in generic materials. AI-backed custom training relies on machine learning algorithms, data analytics, and adaptive learning platforms. These technologies work together to tailor education, dynamically adapting content based on user behavior and preferences, ensuring a fresh and relevant learning experience. Custom training enhances employee skills and knowledge, which is crucial in today's rapidly changing world. With AI, companies can offer continuous training, improving bottom-line profits. 76% of employees say they are likelier to stay with a company committed to skills-based training. AI automates routine tasks, streamlining content delivery like a skilled chef in a busy kitchen. This efficiency reduces training time while maintaining quality. AI-backed solutions are cost-effective, rapidly developed, and ready to launch in weeks, impacting global industries. They lead modern education and professional development, offering personalized, efficient learning experiences. As technology evolves, so will training, aligning individuals and organizations with future demands. Embracing AI-backed training means stepping into a world of tailor-made learning. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more digital and visual marketing tips.